we guide you through how to reduce and fix audio noise in Google Meet. So the first thing you need to do is to open Google Meet on your browser or app and join or start your meeting. Then before speaking, click the three-dot menu at the bottom right corner and go to Settings. After that, select the Audio tab where you will find the built-in noise cancellation option. Turn it on to automatically filter background and sounds like fans, keyboard typing, or outside noise. And if you're still experiencing noise, make sure you're using good quality microphone and not the laptop built-in mic by selecting the correct input device in the same audio settings. Next, close unnecessary tabs and apps that may cause audio interference or system offload. And also try to set a quieter environment or use headphones with a microphone for better sounds isolation. Once everything is set, do a quick test call to check your audio clarity before your actual meeting. And finally, always keep your Google Meet updated because newer versions improve noise reduction features for better performance and clearer communication.